Okay, up on the roof at 154 Captiva Court at Mike Ben-Nora's house. He asked me to come up and look at these tiles he's got right here on the ridge. It didn't take long where I put my ladder up. You have a bunch of right-hand corner cracked tiles. That's called thermal expansion. It's not that big of a deal, but the tiles should be replaced. Like here, I didn't bring my chalk with me. Here, here, there, all the way up. Oh, but that one's more broken. But then I kind of turn around this way, starting counting tiles. We're probably way over 12 to 15 already. And then I don't know what in the world happened over here. Oh gosh, man. All these tiles are flipped upside down. Poor Mike's right there. He's probably freaking out right now, but it's okay. Well, it can be fixed. But it looks like maybe Critter tried to pull that that solar stuff back to get up underneath with no effect. But I mean, come on, something tried to get in. So all that needs to be replaced by the solar company. Broken tiles there. All this grouting and cement stuff is just gone. There's probably a pretty good chance that these guys are just laying up here. Cracked tiles, cracked tiles, cracked tiles. Is this thermal expansion or is that hail impact mark? Look at all that gone. That's all broken. Man, you got a lot of equipment up here. Cracked tiles, thermal expansion, hail. Whoa, right? Broken off due to storms. All those cracked tiles. Because there's grout in there, that's probably back from the hurricane. Broken tiles. All right, that's enough for now. We'll come up with a game plan.